We have pullers come from all over the world, and we have fans literally from almost every continent.
You know, I've never been, but I see the crowds, and they fill up the Wood County Fairgrounds, and the stands are just jammed with people, and I don't know, I just never got it. It's not all just farmers, is it?
Oh, no. I'm the poster child that you can turn a city kid into a tractor-pulling fan. I grew up here in Toledo.
So it's all about the horsepower, is it?
Yeah. We have a lot of our fan base is agricultural, but it's everybody. I mean, we have people coming from, France and the Netherlands, and a lot of people come from Canada. Those are the fans.
Now, they're not shipping their tractors in from other states and stuff, are they?
We have pullers coming from all over the United States.
You do?
Yeah, we have a team coming in from the Netherlands. The Labada teams they literally put their tractor in a shipping container and ship it over here.
National Tractor Pulling Championships presented by Maxim Tire, August 14th, 15th, and 16th.